guys, welcome back to my lovely channel, and here is my special guest again.
Hi.
My daughter. So you guys, today I'm gonna be doing the Amazon UV nail kit that I got to do like gel polish. So I'm gonna be demonstrating on her. I usually do not let her do her fingernails. If anything, I have done like pedicures with her, but that's it. So I just want to put that out there. But here is how it came. I have used this before on my toes and her toes, so that's why I'm like, I could do a review because it actually is really good. So it's not like a first impressions or anything, it's actual review because it's bomb. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna put it on my counter, that way I can pull everything out for you guys to see. So the first thing that I see in the box is this, and I believe this is the base coat and the top coat, which is both, you use them both for the under the UV light actually. So, and it says Amazon right here. So yeah, this is the base gel.
Is it to put on?
Yeah, and then we have the top it off top gel coat, and it's gel polish again. So we have those two in this box, and then the next little baggie right here. Actually, this is super good too because this comes with all the little stuff you'll need for your like cuticles and all that stuff. And actually, there's cuticle oil in here. It smells so good.
It's true.
Yeah. So this is the one. I guess you can use this for your toes, but I mean, I wouldn't personally. So it comes with two of those. Pink, my fave. And then we have a little buffer. If I can get this out, we have a buffer. This one's like more of the shiny one, this to like buff out your nail. And then we have in here, and it comes with this little bag, obviously. This is more of like a little rougher, like it's really rough, so you can like get in there and make sure like everything is good with this one. And here we have a little brush. I haven't even used it, you can see.
Wait, what is it for?
I don't know, just to brush off like your nails or something like that. And then we have a cuticle pusher. And to like get in there and clean out all that gunk. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of room to hold in my hands. Oh, and here's the cuticle oil I was talking about. So the last two pieces is, honestly y'all, I don't even know what this is, to be truthful. I would never use this, so I'm gonna put that back in there. But nail clippers, actually. I didn't even realize there's no clippers in here. So that's really good. So the other amazing part of this set is
Nail polish.
Yes, it comes with such pretty gel polishes. So it's not just a UV light, it's a whole pack of like everything you need. So you're not gonna really be able to see, but here are the colors. So you have like a glitter, pink glitter.
And that one.
This one's more of like a clear glitter. I don't know why it's showing up like purple, but it's not. This one's pink, like a purpley kind of color. This one's like a coral, or like a nude coral, and this one's brighter coral. So those are the nail polishes that they come with, and it's just the same bottle as the Top It Off gel and the base coat. So it comes with 2, 4, 6 colors. And again, here are the colors. Last but not least is the UV light itself. So I like to keep everything in my stuff back in its packaging and all that. Uh-oh, don't wanna drop that. But here it is, guys. I know there's the ones that come with the timer, which I know I should have got, but this one actually has right here. This one is obviously on and off, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then 120 seconds. Sometimes I do the 120 seconds just so to make sure that it's good to go. So yeah, and then obviously
It kind of looks like diamonds.
yeah, it does actually. It's pretty cute. And then obviously this is the little pluggy thing. That's what I just dropped. Yeah, you guys know the jazz on this one. But yeah, guys, that's it. Now I have my other stuff I want to show you guys. So these are some cute little butterfly. I know butterfly is so in right now, if you guys know, like doing your nails and stuff. But so I got this separate. It does not come with a set. And then this one is what I was talking to you guys about. It is the magic remover, y'all. This is like so good. It Because when I had gel first, before I did that one, I had gel on my toes. I always get gel on my toes. I don't know why. It lasts longer and I like it better. So this one actually super quickly removed it. Like 5 minutes you put it on, leave it alone, and then you kind of like scrub it off. Kind of with that cuticle tool I was showing you guys right there. It came right off. I was like, oh my gosh, that's so crazy. So this one really works. Again, this is all from Amazon. And it's the magic remover. It's just soak off the gel polish. So I really like that. Yeah, so guys, again, like all this stuff right here, I'm gonna show you guys a little demo. And again, it's gonna be on our hands because mine's already has stuff on it, so I can't do it on mine. And then yeah guys, so I'm super excited to show you what that will look like. So hope you guys enjoy, and then let's go ahead and get started for the demo. All right guys, that was the ending of the little review or demo really of the Amazon UV lamp with the gel polishes and the kit that I actually got. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and again, I will definitely link it down below so you guys can grab it if you like. I think it's a good deal, and y'all, I think it was only like between $30 and $35, so it might be cheaper now actually, so who knows. I'll definitely find it and link it for you guys, the same exact one. New subscribers, hi, I really appreciate you guys so much. And also, you know, 500 subscriber multi-winner giveaway that I'm doing just to say thank you. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share and give me a huge thumbs up, because when you do, I know you guys love my videos. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Bye.